Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, I'm back to show you again. Yeah, this is the my finish project. Yeah, for my traveler notebook that I use my January kit. And yeah, I do again this video because of the previous video. Yeah, the voice quality is messed up, and Carol told me that she couldn't hear what I say in the video, and also I out of frame because I too rushed to post the video. Yeah, anyway, I post again because I've already finished complete to make the box for this journal, and I also make this to tie up the box. So yeah, here is the two journal. So I show you. Okay, yeah, this is the complete set. Let me do shoot closer. Okay, and I alter the box, and all this box I keep. Yeah, it's a recycle box. Okay, so I cover. Yeah, I bought this. It's a chocolate from Japan. I haven't covered the bottom. I have to cover it up. Okay, so yeah, this is show you again, and the charm use the kit, and here, and also show you one more time. And I added some addition page inside the book that follow Bona tutorial. So yeah, this is I already show you the calendar, and I make this one is the folder pocket. Yeah, you can check out to Bona. She has a tutorial to show you how to make this. So this one open up, it's a two pocket here, and I print out this. It's a tag like a bookmark. Okay. Oh, yeah, I didn't glue nicely. I have to glue again, so the tag won't come out. Maybe so I have to laminate again this page, so you can see it open. Something went wrong. Anyway, yeah, and this is the folder pocket. Okay, and another tag. Perfume. Already mentioned this is the sticker. So yes, and another girl, and this is the plastic zip pocket, like so. Okay, and and this one, I make this one to hold the box, and also can use this. This also you can check out to Bona. She has a tutorial as well. This one you can use this to hold the page together, so you can see. Like so. So when you want to write something, you can use this elastic to hold the page, and you can write. So this will not flip over here. Very great idea, and thanks again, Bona, for your tutorial. So this is the book. Okay, and show you one more time the lavender as well. This one also, you can use this to hold the book. Okay, and everything I already show you, and I will just roughly to show you how to use this elastic band. And yes, something also I already add in the page. Let's see, and all this you will get in the kit as well. And weekly plan for the diet. Okay, you can see. And this one, and this are double. You can use yeah, both side. And Friday fun day. Some more, and this one addition, yeah, I add this one in the page. I make a folder pocket as well, so put something here. And this one, things to do, and Tuesday and weekend, and Sunday rest day today. Another, yeah, put together all here. And this also will include the, yeah, for the kit you also have the calendar sticker, but because I already ran out, so I didn't put it in this book. And this one, you can see, you can use this to hold the page. So this, yeah, great idea. So okay, this one is a book, and I still have more to share with you all, with different color, different style, because this is so I needed to make. Okay, yeah. So yeah, hope it didn't out of frame. So yeah, you can watch this. Okay, that's so. And thanks again for everyone for stopping by to my channel, and please subscribe, and if you like this, and please give me a big thumbs up. And yeah, thanks again, and bye bye.